Do you ever feel like making trick-shotting content, but you just don't really know where to start? Well, I'm about to show you everything you need to know about trick-shotting content. If you are not in a position to pay attention to this video, then wait. I will show you step by step how to make your first videos. All you have to do is pay attention. Now let's get started.
Lunar Pact.
Now let's start with the basics. Where do you begin editing? What programs are you going to use? Well, you've basically got 4 to pick from. You've got CapCut, Premiere, Adobe After Effects, and Sony Vegas. Now Premiere, After Effects, and Sony Vegas all cost money, so we're going to be starting with CapCut. Okay, we are in CapCut. Over here to the left, you're going to see a big old box that says Import. This is where you're going to find all of your downloads, all of your videos, all of your clips. I have all my folders labeled so I know where to look. I have Black Ops 7 clips, just raw clips, and all of my replays mean I clipped my face cam. You just want to pick whatever you want. I usually would like to do probably 8 to 10 shots, like trick shots, because that is going to be your intro, okay? Okay, we're just going to use one clip for the sake of the video because I don't have 8 to 10 shots to show you. But basically, this is going to be the layout, okay? You're going to want to find some music, which in CapCut, you have an audio tab and you can go to music and they have tons and tons of music for you to pick from, or you can go to YouTube, copy the link of whatever song you think would fit best for an intro like this, and copy the link to whatever song you want to pick. We'll look up YouTube to MP3. And what you'll do is you'll open it up, you'll paste your YouTube link, you'll click MP3 and you'll click convert, and it will automatically save. It will save the YouTube video to your downloads, and you'll basically get a way cleaner version of the song. Okay, I have my song picked and I'm gonna show you just real quick what it sounds like. Basically what you're gonna wanna do is just sync up the beats, and this is just from time and experience. You can either sync it up on every shot, like, you know, have a beat match up with the trick shot, but that's way down the line. All you're gonna wanna focus on is just having a clean transition through each clip. So I usually like to stop the first beat on the first trick shot. For this video's sake, we're just gonna copy the same trick shot and use different parts of it. So in this clip, I think I want to go probably midway through the trick shot, then rinse and repeat. You can pick any part of the clip. Just make sure it's sort of in the kill cam because it's kind of cleaner that way. And say like right here, since I want to be a little different than the last clip, I'll use this. I'll click delete right to get rid of the rest, and boom. See, already through 3 clips in one song, nothing else done, we have a 11-second intro. Okay, we're gonna do one more, pretty much the exact same. And then add whatever kind of intro we want. If we don't have an intro, you could just do your face of you talking. I'll use this lunar paper intro, for example. And with the intro on it, that's a 17-second intro. That's enough to catch somebody's attention. It's fast-paced, and you already know exactly what you're getting into. It's a trick-shotting video. Delete the rest of that song, and boom, here is your intro. And there you go. Now if you want to get crazy with it, you can go in between each clip and go up here to transitions. I'll show you my favorites. I don't know why I can't find them, but pull in is really good. I'll show you that real quick. See, it's just a quick kind of zoom in to the next clip. And then I like to do pull out on the next one. I'll show you it really quick. Basically the same thing but reversed. And then I also really like slide left. Now we're gonna use slide left closer to the intro because it looks cleaner and it's different from the rest of the transitions. Put another pull in right here. I'll show you what that looks like really quick. See, total difference. It's just up to you how you want to edit your video. And up here you've got effects. Now, if you want to make it super flashy, you can. You've got flash right here. Whenever you click on effects, it's going to automatically pull up trending. So you've got all of these different options just right here in your face. I mean, you can do color flicker. I know black flash 2 is really good, and a lot of people use it. So you want to just drag that all the way up to the intro. Now let's see how this looks. Okay, that looks like shit. The flash is a little too much, so we're going to turn the strength down, glow down, maybe turn the speed up. And that's pretty much just as complicated as you want this to be. Okay, that's the intro done. Finished. That's all you had to do. Super easy to use. I'm telling you, CapCut is the most user-friendly program out there, and it's free. So it is perfect for trick shotting content. You just want to get in, edit your video, and get out super quick. CapCut's the way to go. After the intro, you only want to focus on 3 types of clips. You want your trick shotting clips. You want attempts / hit marker clips, and you'll want funny moments. You'll usually want to start the video out with something funny. That way it's not just a banger trick shot and you're wasting a clip right off the bat. So what we've got here is a failed attempt from my friend Reeks. Everybody kind of made fun of him. So I'm gonna cut it to about right there and show you guys the clip. We'll want to pause it right there. We don't want the clip to be too long because we're going to lose the viewer's attention. So what we're going to do to make this a little funnier is we're going to go right where he shoots and we're going to add one of these bad boys. We're going to go up to audio. We're going to go to sound effects and we're going to look up fart. We got all of these different farting options to pick from. I think that one's funny enough. Whenever you add a track like this, it's automatically going to pop up these options up here. I like to do sometimes is I like to go to voice changer. Right next to original, you'll see mic echo. You do have to pay like $10 a month or something for CapCut Pro to use this feature. I pay that just because it's a lot cheaper than other options. And I'll show you what it sounds like. Now that is a lot funnier compared to, you see, it's much funnier with the mic echo. So we're gonna use that, boom, first clip done. And I will show you guys a hit marker that I got. We'll wanna start it like right here where you can see the guy and the start of the combo. Boom, hit marker. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to edit this at all. That's just the clip. Let me explain how I'm doing this so fast. Up here, you have the option to, here, let's use this as an example. We're right in the middle of the clip. You have the option to split, delete left, or delete right. To split, you just split it, and you have 2 separate videos that you can edit. You can delete left, and it will delete the entire left side of wherever this thing is, and vice versa with the delete right. Makes it much, much, much faster to edit with that way, so I highly recommend getting familiar with these options. And then we will add this trick shot for an example. We'll get my reaction in there, which I didn't have my mic running at the time, so it's fine. Perfect. Boom. And there you have it. There's your first trick shot of the video, and only 1 minute into the video and you've already got a trick shot, hit marker, and a funny moment, and a catchy intro. So for the rest of the video, you're basically going to want to repeat all of these steps. For the rest of the video, you don't have to go in this order anymore. You can kind of choose however you lay it out. It's just up to you and how you think the video is going to look best. But if you're going to do captions, you have an option. You have to have Pro to use it, so it's your choice. But you have auto captions up here. You can generate. I'll just show you what that looks like really quick and how to use it. Boom. So right here we've already got. See, okay, the reason why I don't use this is because you have to go back and fix all of, he obviously said Reeks, okay? And the auto caption read Rick. So every time you're gonna have to go back and fix that. So if you're gonna be using the auto captions, please be sure to go through every single caption and fix whatever they messed up, okay? Because if you don't, it's gonna be super obvious that you're using auto captions. People can tell, and it's gonna look super ugly. Don't worry about an outro because hardly anybody makes it that far into a trick-shotting video anyways nowadays. So just say something to the camera if you have one. If not, drag a clip on a little bit and put an end to the video. I don't know. Like I said, nobody really makes it that far anyways, so it doesn't matter how you end the video. But that is how you will get your foot in the door to editing trick-shotting content. I hope I didn't go too fast, and I hope I didn't skip over anything. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I will show you exactly how to do it. We want to see this community thrive in any sort of way. We need to go back to a spot where a lot of people are making content. Right now, I would say is the best time for trick-shotting because we have so many people making videos, and it's all different kinds of videos. I only showed you this because I've edited these kinds of videos for people so many times. It is so easy. It's the quickest way to make a video. Everybody's doing it, so you're not gonna stand out too much if you're scared of that. So this is just your basic starter kit to editing trick-shotting content. It's been your boy Cam, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.